Predictive maintenance is one of the most interesting Industry 4.0 technologies for industrial applications. The introduction of this type of solution, on the contrary, in the shop floor is very difficult. It's very challenging, mainly due to the lack of organizational readiness in industrial environment. This affects strongly on the quality of the data that have to be used on machine learning and on the awareness of manager on what AI needs and what it offers for industrial application. The solution to this type of challenge is not a technical approach, but is a structured and systemic training journey involving all the key stakeholders in getting the right skills and competencies to choose, to implement, to use and sustain the introduction of this type of solution in industrial environment.
We at KLEEMANN expect specific benefits through Skills for PDM in various aspects. First of all, Skills for PDM will provide on-the-job training on state-of-the-art PDM technologies and solutions. This will enhance the competitive advantage of the company manufacturing and maintenance-wise. Skills for PDM is a platform, a user-friendly platform and easy-to-access tool. The PDM skills of the personnel will be further developed for both junior and expert employees. Skills for PDM finally is expected to enhance and improve our company's always growing culture.
For OHS as a service provider in the maintenance sector, it is important to improve continuously and thus to keep the quality of service for our customers at highest levels. Predictive maintenance is an interesting industrial application, but definitely requires upskilling of the workforce involved. Upskilling is therefore very relevant for us. In this context, it is important to provide the right content and learning means for all team members. Well, this depends a bit from the current situation. Of course, approaches like predictive maintenance has to be accepted by our customers first. In this case, we can propose improvements on our customer side, which will strengthen our awareness as a competent, high-quality service provider in the long run. Short-term results could be measurable for our own processes, which could become more efficient, for instance due to a better forecast of maintenance processes, which would allow a better planning of workforce and purchase of required spare parts.